Now this is the exact same exact path model as is used on the current snow raiders right now. The big difference here, however, is we don't need that salt chute on the front of this exact path. Now the reason it was on the previous snow raider is to actually kind of direct that salt so that it wasn't laying up on the frame of the plow. Well, since we designed this from the ground up, we don't have any of that framing like we did on the current model. So there's no need for that salt chute on this exact path. Now, the location that the exact path is mounted on the Snow Raider mag is right on that hood. And remember, the battery, the hydraulic filter, access to all those things that you need for service and maintenance, right? Well, even with this mounted, we still want to have access to that. And it's a very simple process. Simply unhook each of these latches on each side of the front cover. This easily removes with no tools. I have a quick pin on each side of the hood that I rotate out. And now my hood pops open and I have access to those critical things. Now, when you're connecting the exact path to the Snow Raider mag, it is an extremely fast and easy setup. In fact, it connects to the hood, and engineering has already lasered in the holes for mounting this to that hood plate. So as you can see, the Snow Raider mag brings power, performance, and versatility to the job. Keep an eye open for more information coming from Boss on this new release. Thank you today for watching, and remember, when snow and ice hits, Boss helps you restore order.